ครับ Welcome to ครูเบิร์ตมวยไทย Okay, today I will talk about the mistake about when you clinching, when you standing in Muay Thai. Okay, that I can see many people do it and they not understand why cannot be. Okay, number one, when you clean, I always say you need to be close the body to save to save to get hit knee by the target. Close is safe area because difficult for them to knee you properly. When you want to knee you, then need to make space to get the area. The first, when you do with the clinching, not do like this. Stand far away. That is the bad position. Okay, you need to be close and stand. Stand like this. Okay, stand square, or you can bend your knee down a little bit. That's good way. The weight in the middle. That's how you do. Not easy to throw, and they cannot take you down easy. And number two, when you stand square like this, and you hold, that not for the clinching. Not same when you standing for fighting. When you clean, your body close and your hand it all together, lock together, you square. Because if you go like this, they can sweep you both sides this way or this way. That's why you don't want to stand like this. Easy for you to throw down. Okay? You stand like this, they can attack you by this one. And the important when you stand square, try to be knee and knee together, or try to use your knee outside more than stand inside. And your opponent knee outside like this, you lose 100% from balance. They can take you down easy, and you can pull you, swing you everywhere. Okay, this mistake number 3. You cannot stand like this. Okay, number 1, not too far. Okay, number 2, no. Number 3, not stand like this. You will lose balance. And the comment, stand square. Okay, I think this video can help you to see how important when you stand with the clinching. And remember, practice and follow me. If you like this video, please put like and see you again next time. สวัสดีครับ
โอ้ย